Have you ever considered the power of including a frequently asked questions section in your Etsy store? Not only does it enhance the overall customer experience, but it also can be a game changer in terms of time saved when it comes to answering those same old questions over and over. In this tutorial, I'm here to show you how you can harness the magic of Alura AI templates to effortlessly craft a well-organized frequently asked questions page for your Etsy shop. Let's get started. Okay, so I have logged into my Alura account. If you currently don't have Alura or you're not using it for your Etsy business, make sure to use my referral link so you could try them out for free. I will leave my link right below the description box of this video. So once you create your account and you're logged in, go to your dashboard and click on AI templates right here. It's going to open this window with all of these different templates. From here, you're going to navigate to shop frequently asked questions. It's going to open this new window here. And this is where the magic happens. I mean, this is pretty cool, actually, to be honest with you guys. It's going to customize your frequently asked questions. The more information you provide, the better it is. So take your time. Don't rush through it. I'm going to do it quickly, obviously, for the purpose of this video, but add more information if you can. So I'm going to just create something from scratch. I'm going to say my store name is called Tumblr World, and I'm going to put here, I make handmade, if I know how to write, right? I made tumblers that are personalized and customized, right? Obviously put more information here, the theme, the style, material, etc. Production time, I'm going to put 3 days. And then shipping, make sure you put standard. If you have overnight shipping, put all that information. I'm going to do standard, and I'm going to say 5 to 7 days. And then I'm going to put down here, we offer customization options. Along with personalized, we don't accept refunds. Obviously, if you sell products that you have to put people's name on them or you personalize them for that customer, you definitely don't want to accept refunds. It depends on the situation, right? However, I would advise putting no refunds. Go ahead and click on advanced options. And from here, it's really cool because you're able to tailor the language, your tone of voice, and the creativity level. So obviously, I'm going to leave mine at default English. They have all the different languages here, Spanish, French, German, Italian, depending on what your store is set up right now, which is really cool. Tone of voice, I like to do informative or inviting. I don't want something to be like authoritative. This is more like, stern. So I think I'm going to go with inviting, right? I want my customers to feel excited and comfortable reading my frequently asked questions, not to deter them not to buy. And then creativity level, you could pick one of these. I'm going to do accurate or creative. I think these are the two that stand out to me. So I'm going to just do accurate and go ahead and click on generate. Like I said earlier, the more information you provide this template, the more it will create it based on your Etsy store. But this is really, really cool. As you can see, it's creating the questions right here. The first one is, what kind of products does Tumblr World offer? And then it has like the little description. How long does it take for Tumblr World order to be ready? And it says it here, right? We take about 3 days to craft your personalized tumbler. We believe in taking the time to ensure every detail is perfect so you get a product that's truly special. I mean, that's amazing. What's great about these questions too is that you could use this not just on Etsy. If you're currently selling on Shopify, if you're selling on your own website, you could just copy this right here, copy text, and you could use this on other platforms as well. You could do a post about this, like if you're creating content on your Instagram account, and you could say frequently asked questions about, and then you have your shop name, and you could do a little carousel post where you answer questions. Be creative, right? You could use this for so many areas in your business. If you don't like this one, if you click right here, try again, it's going to recreate a new one for you. And sometimes what you end up doing is, oh, I like question 1, 2, and 3, but I like the question 4 and 5 down here. You could mix and match if you want to. But this is a game changer. It's going to write professional, frequently asked questions for you that you could use on Etsy, on your own website. You could use for social media and other areas of your business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to watch these additional videos that will help you grow an impactful Etsy business. Thanks for watching.